Okay, two news. Good news, bad news. Good news, we found a drone. Bad news, it looks like this. My god. So today we're going to go to a new site. And it's going to be our new project for our company, and we will be going to the site now via train to bring the team to experience like how is it living next to a LRT station, what will be the benefits and what are the unique selling points, the threat, basically the SWOT analysis of the site itself. Let's go.
如果这个树斩掉它就没了。
会不会打掉那个树？
In music, though, one doesn't make the end of a composition the point of the composition. If that were so, the best conductors would be those who played fastest. Same way in dancing. You don't.
Okay guys, what's happening now and I'm freaking out is because my drone actually crashed. I crashed my fucking drone because flew halfway, then the battery died, meaning it suddenly became very low battery and it was going into the river. But now then I managed to just tweak it a little bit and to actually go and crash a tree, and now it's in the international school. So I'm now trying to find a way to get into the international school. Okay, two news. Good news, bad news. Good news, we found a drone. Bad news, it looks like this. My god. So one of the wing broke, but we just see what we can salvage from the memory card then. Shit! Okay, so the drone was flying over here and then suddenly it just collapsed. So I was so afraid that it fell into this river. But that's why I pulled back so I can land on the open compound school. But it hit the tree, so it fell on the walkway. Yeah, so that's how I got back my drone, but it's sudah patah kaki lah. So now see what footage we can salvage back from the thing, and we are heading on our way back. Ooh, this is gonna burn me.